Hello again. It's 9:45 and nobody joined the session. That's a pity. Anyway, we're going to start working. First of all, there were a couple of things that you didn't know and you wanted uh, to discover or be aware of. And one of them is the project. It's 1 point of your grade for the first partial exam, and that's why it's important. Um, the thing that you're going to work with is you have to create a course on an app which is free for everyone. Uh, I would recommend you to use just one because that way everyone can just access and take the course of your friends or your classmates. So we are going to work with one which is called Memrise. Um, Obviously, this is going to be kind of difficult or hard because nobody's here, but I'm guessing we could find a way. I know we can find a way to let everyone know about this. First of all, I'm going to access this place over here. What you're going to do is you will have to go to memrise.com. That's the place, as you can see over here. Now, once you have already accessed this place, then you're gonna have to create an account. Obviously, in my case, I can just log in because I already have one. So we're over here and we're going to log in. I repeat, what you have to do is to create an account on Memrise. That's my account. Okay, so that's how it works. And it's over here. It's very, very simple. It's a it's a website, or you can download the app. But I recommend you to work on your computer because otherwise, on your phone, it's kind of difficult to create the course. Now, once again, with this one, you can just browse or search for different courses and they are free. Okay. Like, for example, over here, I'm taking these courses. And as I told you, you don't have to pay. It's for free. All of them are for free. You have different areas. You have like languages, and you have other ones, other different ones. Let's go to courses so that you know what you have access to. Over here, you have to mention what language you speak. In my case, well, I just settled that it was English. Um, and you have to find a course which of your interest, right? Like languages, arts and literature, maths and science, the natural world, history and geography, memory training, and some others. Now, in this case, what I want you to do is, first of all, to create an account, just like the one I have over here. You have profile, settings, and so on. Once you have created your account, you're going to go into the courses section, and then you click on create a course. For example, over here. Obviously, this has to do with the topics you have already been working with on the platform on Seduca. So, so far, you are supposed to have ended or finished units number 1 and number 2. You can find different like ideas for your projects over there. For example, right now it comes to mind natural disasters, right? So let's say over here, natural disasters, right? That's the name of my course. and you select over here, you're teaching English to Spanish speakers. We have to find S for Spanish from Mexico, right? You're teaching English for Spanish speakers, okay? And then you have to add a tag, like in this case, for example, you can say FACICO, just to have this idea that you are part of the students of this great school. And then you're going to write down a small description of your course, like natural disasters. You can say, find vocabulary related to this topic, just like that, right? And a short description. That is not really necessary. If you want to write it down, that's okay. You have to click over here. Obviously, I'm not a robot. But they ask you, chimney, oh, I see one over here, and there's one, and there's another one. Might not be the one, but let's just verify. Great. So we're going to create a course. Okay, and then we're over here. What you have to do is to add the words, like tsunami, right? That's a natural disaster. So you add the word by clicking over here. And then you have option for another one. Hurricane. You add the word over here. Okay. Now, what do you actually have to do? It's not only this. You will also have to go to the advanced section and add columns. At least one or two more columns. Okay. Now, let's say we add one more with images. So you write the name, images, okay? And you add images. You add it. Then you have the new column, which is over here. And what you're going to do is to upload an image to show or to help you remember this word or phrase. They don't have to be single words. They could be phrases, okay? This is all about practicing. You click over here in upload, and they'll give you the option from your files or any other, okay? So it's my computer is kind of slow, as you can see, but maybe yours is way faster. So anyway, we're going to wait a little bit. And then don't forget to write down the translation into Spanish. I haven't done it over here, but we're going to do it in a minute, okay? It's not really working. There it is. It's about to show, but we're going to immediately cancel this action because you're going to do it on your own. So in, like, for example, over here in Spanish, we might say tsunami, right? The T is not necessary. If you want to write it down, that's also okay. It's your decision. Okay, there it is. And hurricane, that's the one. Okay. So you got it. You can add more words, as many as you want. At least you will have to create a course with at least 30 different vocabulary words or terms or sentences. Okay, that's the way it's going to work. It has to be about one single topic. You click over here on save and continue. And there it is, right? When you finish it, we're going to share the different courses and so that everyone has them. And you can, if you have really done this, which I recommend, every time you upload or you write down 5, 6 words or terms or phrases, I recommend you to to save. Because sometimes the website or the platform might just not work, and then you find yourself in a difficult position. That's why I recommend you to do it like this. Now, once you have already done it, you have the option to edit your course, which is over here. You click on this button and then you change anything you think might be necessary. Any changes you might find which are necessary, just click here and do it. Okay. So then again, you click on the save and continue button, and there it is. You can add another column, which would be, for example, for the sound, for the pronunciation, your voice. Like you record your voice saying hurricane, and then you'll know that's the way it's pronounced. Now, you can also like Google it on the translator, and then you can record it from there, from a native speaker voice, and then just add it over here. Okay? Well, that's it for now. I'm going to upload this video so that you have access to it, and then you know how to start working on your project. This is for the end of the month. Okay, this is for the end of the month. Today is the 13th, and you're going to be working in pairs. It's one course per 2 people. Okay, any questions? We have the ways to communicate, so don't hesitate and just let me know if there's something that you didn't understand. But I recommend you to play this video at least twice so that you understand everything. And I guess that's it. Thank you guys. I'll see you around. Bye-bye.